If you're considering using Inventory Source for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you need to know before making your purchase. Stick around till the end to get the full picture of how it stacks up against the competition and whether it's the right choice for you. First, Inventory Source integrates with a huge range of suppliers, but you'll need to pay for access to their full network. If you're comparing it to other platforms like Oberlo or Spocket, which offer similar integrations, you'll find that Inventory Source might be a bit more expensive, especially for full automation. Next thing you should know is that Inventory Source offers automated inventory updates and order routing. This means you don't have to manually check for stock levels or update orders. However, while this is a huge time saver, you need to ensure your supplier is one that supports this feature, as not all of them do. Compared to other dropshipping platforms, this feature is nice, but some like Sale might offer more flexibility with suppliers. The third thing to consider is that Inventory Source allows you to create custom catalogs for your store. This is great for organizing products from different suppliers in one easy-to-manage list. But keep in mind that customization options are limited, which could be a deal breaker for sellers looking for more control over product listings. Competitors like Spocket might give you more flexibility in this area. Next, let's talk about pricing. Inventory Source offers a free version, but it's limited. You'll get access to some of their basic features, but to really get the full benefits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Their paid plans are more expensive than other tools, like Oberlo, which is free and provides plenty of automation features. But if you have the budget for it, the paid plans can help automate more processes in your business. The fifth thing is the ability to integrate with top e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. This is standard among dropshipping tools, but it's still worth mentioning that Inventory Source does a solid job of ensuring seamless integration. The ease of connecting your store with suppliers gives it a slight edge over some of its competitors. The sixth thing you need to know is about the shipping and tracking features. Inventory Source offers real-time tracking updates, so you and your customers are always in the loop. This can be a huge benefit when compared to some other platforms where tracking updates might not be as fast or consistent. Now, the seventh thing to note is the customer support. While Inventory Source provides decent customer service, it's not the fastest. You may experience delays when you reach out for support. Competitors like Spocket and Sale tend to offer quicker responses and more extensive support options, which could make a big difference if you need help urgently. The eighth thing to consider is the automation features. Inventory Source offers a solid level of automation, including inventory management, order fulfillment, and pricing updates. However, some competitors like Ceres offer more advanced features at a similar price point, which could make them more attractive for high-volume sellers. The ninth thing is the supplier quality. Inventory Source connects you with reputable suppliers, but like any platform, the quality can vary. You'll need to vet each supplier to ensure they meet your standards. Some competitors offer more curated lists of suppliers, which can save you time on the vetting process. The 10th thing is that Inventory Source offers advanced analytics tools to track sales, inventory, and other key metrics. While it's helpful, it's not as robust as some of the analytics offered by other platforms like Oberlo. This could be a limitation for those who want deep insights into their business performance. Next, the 11th thing to keep in mind is that while the platform automates many processes, it still requires some hands-on management. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution like some competitors, so you'll still need to be actively involved in your business operations. Finally, the 12th thing is the ease of use. Inventory Source has a relatively user-friendly interface, but it's not as intuitive as other dropshipping platforms. If you're new to dropshipping or don't have much technical experience, platforms like Oberlo might be more beginner-friendly. So, is Inventory Source a good option for dropshipping? Yes, but it's not the best. It's a solid choice, especially if you're willing to invest in their paid plans for full automation. However, if you're looking for a better option with more flexibility, ease of use, and better customer support, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.